If you see fruits, I mean fruits, pawpaw, pineapple, oranges, watermelon, cucumber, name them. If you see fruits, you know fruits. Yes, I'm talking about fruits. And you're not eating them. You're not making them part of your diet. You are missing a lot. You are missing a lot. Yes, you heard me right. You are missing a lot. Fruits are very, very important to our body. Very important to our body. Yes, you heard me right. If you are eating fruits, you'll be looking healthy. In fact, you'll be healthy, not just looking healthy. You will be very, very healthy. Because why? Fruits are sources of vitamins.